Here's something that I do, and I've been doing it for quite some time, and that's I age my own beef. And the trick to it is this, is you need a real thick cut. That's a chuck roast, I believe. And they're good on the grill anyway, but if you age it, it's delicious. So get a real thick cut. You could use any kind of beef. And so you get a thick cut, and you do not cover it. If you cover it, it will go bad on you. It'll go bad. It'll be horrible. It'll go bad in a couple days. This has been in here for about a week, and it's looking perfect. Now the trick is you don't cover it, and you flip it daily. You just keep flipping it, and that way it won't go bad. But if you don't flip it, it will go bad. You'll know if it goes bad, but if you keep doing this, it'll work out just fine. This, you can put it on a plate. This is just what it came in. Now, if you use what it came in, make sure and remove that thing that soaks up the blood, because that, once again, will make your beef go bad. And if you're wondering what's on this, it's just some pepper. Now, how I'm going to cook this and how I usually cook it is on the grill. So I'll season it with some salt, some garlic, and I'll put some olive oil on it. And I'll put it on a really hot grill. I mean really hot. And the goal will be to have it black on the outside and bloody on the inside. I want it black and blue. It works out great, I'm telling you. It's worthwhile. It'll make a cut like this, like a chuck roast, just absolutely delicious. But the trick really is, do not cover it and keep flipping it. If you flip it twice a day, even better. You want airflow.